Huh? What is it? Oh yeah. Good job. You'll get another snowboard. You're really good. You're way better than Daddy at this game, you know that? You know Daddy gets killed right away, train hits me? But you're really good, aren't you? Good job. You jumped over top of that screen. Underneath, yep. Getting all the money.
No. It's
Coins? Okay. You like getting the jetpack too? You got the jetpack now. What do you like more, the snowboard or the jetpack? The jetpack? Ooh, almost hit the train. Good job, Camden. You're dodging them trains on the subway, ain't you? Awesome.
Daddy.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Say, oh, man.
Daddy,
Look what you got.
Daddy.
Go, boy. Don't stop. Hey, you better take a nap. You better stop. Duck. Good job. Left. Jump. There you go. I like your haircut.
No.
Meow. I think you're ready for a nap. You're getting whiny.
No.
You're not getting whiny?
No. Daddy, I need
No, you're gonna get another one.
a
You will. You gotta look for it, okay? Oh, you are good. You are the Subway Surfer, aren't you?
No.
You're the Subway Surfer master.
No.
Only 2 years old. Go, go, go. You better stop your whining. You're getting sleepy.
No. No.
Jump. Wait a minute.
No.
Stop it.
No.
Okay, I'm sorry. That'd be nice. Okay. Mama get you a snowboard. Daddy ain't no good at this game, baby. I know. Go left. There you go. Left. Oh, you almost hit that train. Keep going. You're done. There you go. You'll find another snowboard here in a minute, okay? You gotta just keep looking for him, okay? It's okay. Yes, it is okay. You'll get a jetpack. You like those too? Oh, he got you that time, huh? Uh-oh. Gotta do it again. Go, boy. Go. Go, Candy, go. I know, I know. Go, Camden. Subway Surfer Professional.
No, not good.
You are doing good.
No.
Are you ready for a nap?
No.
You sure sound like you're getting ready for a nap. You better be nice. Awesome. Ooh, you almost got hit by that train, didn't you? You are good. Jumping and weaving, dodging trains, getting all the coins. Oh, not that one, no, huh?